Hello everyone, welcome to Hexavi Technologies. Uh, in Hexavi Technologies, we have created a product that is HexaHire. Today, I am going to show you how we are streamlining talent acquisition and elevating hiring decisions through AI-driven voice interviews. The challenge in traditional recruitment. To understand why we built HexaHire, we first have to look at the current state of recruitment. It is fundamentally inefficient. First, there is a massive time drain. Manual screening consumes up to 40% of recruiters' time. Second, there is inconsistency. Different interviewers use different criteria, leading to bias. We also struggle with limited visibility into pipeline health and delayed feedback, which ultimately harms the candidate experience. So, what do modern organizations actually need to fix this? They need scalable automation that grows with them. They need standardized uh, frameworks to ensure every candidate is judged fairly. They need real-time analysis for instant insights. And finally, they need seamless integration that works effortlessly with their existing ATS platforms. This is where HexaHire comes in. We are introducing AI-powered interview automation. We transform screening with autonomous voice-based interviews that don't just ask questions, they adapt intelligently to candidate response. Using advanced speech processing and natural language understanding, we provide actionable insights that comprehensive scorecards map directly to your HR rubrics. Let, let us go to demo. So, I have already uploaded a resume here, that is resume 2, and this resume is mine. So I uh, I got shortlisted and scheduled an interview. You see, and let's see the interview. Yeah, see, I get the call for interview. Let me uh, talk to my agent.
Hello, this is Monica from Hexavi Technology. I'll be taking your interview today for the full stack developer position. Before we proceed, may I confirm that this is a suitable time for you? Tell
Yes,
me about yourself.
yes, it is. Uh, my name is Dipanshu Saraswat. I am a full stack developer skilled in React, Node.js, and MongoDB. I have experience building scalable applications, real-time features, and responsive UI. I recently worked at Hexaview Technologies on an e-commerce platform and workflow automation tools.
Thank you for sharing that. What technologies are you most comfortable with?
I am most comfortable with React.js, Node.js, MongoDB, MySQL, Tailwind, Redux, and REST APIs.
Got it. Appreciate the explanation. What project are you most proud of?
I am proud of the e-commerce platform I built. It includes role-based authentication, real-time updates using WebSockets, Razorpay integration, and a fully responsive UI.
That's helpful to know. What is JWT and why do we use it?
Yeah, JSON Web Token is used for authentication. It is securely verifies user identity and allows protected routes and role-based access.
Understood. Thanks for the insight. What is the difference between SQL and NoSQL?
SQL stores data in structured tables, while non-SQL stores data in flexible documents and collections. I have worked with both MySQL and SQL.
Sounds good. Thank you. Thank you for your time today. It was great speaking with you.
Thank you. You have seen my interview was taken by an agent, and I was talking about like I have uploaded the resume here. The resume is resume 2, and I have shortlisted, and my interview has also completed. Let me show you. This is the personal information of mine, and here we can analyze the score. The score is generated by the LLM, so it scored me 75%. It also give me the score breakdown. All this analysis done by the LLM. and this interview score is also generated by the LLM. What we are doing, we just putting all the information regarding me and interview transcript to the LLM, and it will analyze me according to the JD and resume. So I got rejected. So interview analysis is 50%. Final weighted score is 57.5%. So it gives me all these scores. It also gives me what is the risk about my interview or about me. The candidate may struggle with clear communication and deeper technical discussion. So that is how. So I just want to tell you, like, we have created this voice agent to for interviews, but we can also use this agent in many domains such as medical, travel, and customer care support, etc.